you like it?
Yes.
You want to do something like this?
Yes.
We're here live in Asaga Ohafia in Abia State, Nigeria, to teach girls from underserved communities about STEM skills and STEM careers. As part of our goal to equip 2,000 Nigerian girls with STEM skills, we kicked off this campaign, expanded it in May 2024, and now we are here after visiting multiple states in Nigeria. So Abia State is one of the states that has the least of all, and we chose Ohafia specifically because we want to be able to push the talents that are here in this community out to the world.
What is specifically the process?
And part of the activities of this campaign is meant to be a 3-day activity plan, where for the first day we introduce the girls to STEM skills and STEM careers, and then for the next 2 days we teach them, engage them in practical workshops specifically around Scratch, coding with Scratch and building games, and then for the last day building on robotics. And we would also be donating STEM kits and brand new laptops to help continue the STEM club activities which we'll be carrying out in this school.
Some laptops and then some STEM kits as well.
Seeing the excitement of the girls, this is one of the very first time we're going to be getting introduced to concepts in coding, concepts in robotics, and also getting them to understand that this is going to be an ongoing activity. We've gotten a lot of girls who've shown interest in picking up STEM skills and also pursuing STEM careers in university, which is one of the primary goals of this entire campaign. And for me, that is a huge success from every activity we've done in this location. To Gate Academy, Asaga Ohafia, we would like to make these donations, brand new laptops and STEM kits as well to the school, and also formally launch the STEM club in hopes that the foundation that we have laid for these girls will continue after we leave Asaga, and it will also expand beyond Gates Academy as well.
Chicken!